Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. So if you're traveling to United States after Christmas, you'll now have to meet the new requirement to enter the European Union, and it's now official. And if you're planning to travel to Europe, keep in mind that things are changing. So what has happened? There have been 3 tough years of deliberations from Brussels in which they have tried to toughen up and deal with challenges such as irregular migration. So Europe is reinforcing its border policy just for this reason. So when does this change begin? Well, this change begins on 10th November to be exact. And if you're an American, you will have to wait for your fingerprints to be taken and registered before entering the European soil freely. And well, why are controls for Americans being tightened? According to EU Commissioner Ylva Johansson, the European Union's entry and exit system is not new, but it will be the first time it has been put into operation. This is an attempt to modernize the borders of the old continent. As an American, 90 days is the maximum for you to stay on the European continent. When you get off the plane, an official will stamp your passport and that will be your entry. From that moment till you leave, 90 days is a maximum period, but you can move around the Schengen area. So forget about having your passport stamped because that will be obsolete after this date. Say hello to the new digital controls. So this was some latest news about United States, and we will keep updating you guys with more such information. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.